Traveling can be an amazing experience, but the financial aspects can add unnecessary stress. Exchanging money, managing multiple cards, and keeping track of receipts can quickly turn into a headache. That's where travel cards come in, promising a smoother and more convenient way to spend abroad. But are they truly free? Let's take a popular option, the YouTrip card, and dissect its fees to see if it lives up to the hype. The YouTrip Advantage. The YouTrip card boasts several advantages for travelers. First, it eliminates the need to exchange cash beforehand. You can simply load your card with funds in your local currency and spend it directly in most countries with a favorable exchange rate. Second, it offers transparency with no hidden fees for overseas transactions. This means you can avoid the nasty surprises that often come with traditional travel cards. So, is YouTrip completely free? The short answer is no. While YouTrip eliminates foreign transaction fees, there are a couple of other charges to be aware of. Annual fee. YouTrip offers a free tier with basic functionalities. However, if you want premium features like airport lounge access or higher ATM withdrawal limits, you'll need to upgrade to a paid tier with an annual fee. ATM withdrawal fees. While YouTrip doesn't charge its own fee for ATM withdrawals, the ATM operator itself might. This is a standard practice with most cards, so it's always a good idea to check the ATM fees before withdrawing cash. The bottom line. YouTrip can be a great option for travelers who want a convenient and transparent way to spend abroad. However, it's important to understand the fee structure to avoid any surprises. If you primarily plan to use your card for cashless transactions, the free tier might be sufficient. However, frequent ATM users might want to consider the paid tiers or compare fees with other travel cards. Beyond YouTrip, choosing the right travel card. YouTrip isn't the only player in the travel card game. Several other options offer similar benefits with slightly different fee structures. Here are some additional factors to consider when choosing a travel card. Your travel style. Do you primarily use your card for cashless transactions or rely heavily on ATM withdrawals? Choose a card with features that best suit your needs. Travel destinations. Different cards offer better exchange rates in specific regions. Research which card offers the most favorable rates for your planned destinations. Spending habits. Estimate your average daily spending and choose a card with ATM withdrawal limits that accommodate your needs. Remember, the best travel card depends on your individual needs and travel style. Do your research, compare fees, and choose the card that offers the most value for your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.